Welcome to BrainFeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about drones and their diverse applications in scientific exploration and societal benefit. Let's get started. Drones, the far-reaching whirring wonders, have gone beyond their recreational beginnings to become helpful tools in a surprising array of fields. But it's in the world of science that drones truly take flight, soaring to new heights of discovery and understanding. Guardian angels of the animal kingdom. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors fly over oceans to study marine giants, to track their movements, monitor their health, and analyze their feeding habits. On land, drones keep a watch on endangered primates by soaring through dense rainforests to map their habitats, track their populations, and even identify potential threats like poachers. This aerial guardianship helps conservationists protect these vulnerable species and their precious ecosystems. Revolutionizing agriculture. Drones equipped with high-tech sensors can monitor crop health, detect water stress, and even identify pests and diseases. This real-time data empowers farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, leading to more efficient and sustainable agriculture. Fitted with specialized sprayers, drones can deliver pesticides and fertilizers directly to targeted areas, minimizing waste and reducing environmental impact. Climate change research. Drones equipped with various sensors can gather data on air quality, greenhouse gas emissions, and deforestation. This data is crucial for monitoring climate change, understanding its impacts, and developing mitigation strategies. Beyond the horizon. In forest fires, drones collect air samples, helping scientists analyze the microbial makeup of smoke and understand the complex dynamics of these infernos. This knowledge is crucial for developing better firefighting strategies and protecting communities from the dangers of wildfires. After natural disasters like earthquakes or floods, drones can quickly survey affected areas, assess damage, and locate survivors. They can also deliver essential supplies to remote locations and monitor the spread of disease outbreaks. In 2015, drones played a crucial role in relief efforts after the Nepal earthquake, delivering medical supplies and mapping devastated areas. As drone technology continues to advance, the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning of a thrilling scientific journey. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learn: drones are transforming scientific research, from monitoring marine animals and protecting endangered species to revolutionizing agriculture. Climate change research benefits from drones' ability to gather crucial data on air quality, greenhouse gas emissions, and deforestation. Drones are invaluable in disaster response, quickly surveying affected areas, delivering supplies, and monitoring disease outbreaks. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to BrainFeed TV, our YouTube channel.